Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send money from USA to the Philippines through the GCash app. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as we all know, GCash nowadays is supported in USA, Canada, Italy, UK, Australia, Japan, Spain, UAE, South Korea, Taiwan, Germany, Hong Kong, Qatar, Kuwait, Singapore, Saudi Arabia. You can only send money from the USA to the Philippines if your account is validated with a Philippine ID. Now, what if you're not a Filipino? Say you wanted to send GCash to a Filipino friend or maybe one of your freelancers. Is it possible? Okay. If you're a Filipino and you live in the US right now, you can go ahead and just send it directly from your GCash app, just like what you normally would. Okay. Now, if you are not from the Philippines, you don't have a Philippine ID, don't worry, you still have an option. Okay. You can go ahead and use Wise. Okay. Just download the Wise application. Open it up, create your account, and once done, just go ahead and log in. And once logged in, all you need to do is just top up. All right, just tap on add money, select from one of your bank accounts, and then tap on send. Okay. In here, for example, I would like to send from my own GCash account. All right, but you can go ahead and add in a recipient. Okay, add in a recipient right here. Make sure to select their currency, as it states here, Philippine peso. All right. Now in here, as you can see, GCash is actually an option, but there's a transfer limit of 49,999 PHP, roughly $1,000. Now tap on it, tap on someone else, and then just enter their email, which is optional, just for them to get an email or inbox. Okay. Full name, wallet provider, tap on the drop down, select GCash, and you have a ton of options here as well. Okay. Now go ahead and enter their e-wallet number or phone number. Scroll down, type down the city or the recipient's address, tap on continue. And after that, just follow simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.